know that hill does not look crazy, but it is insane. So steep to get into this campground, but then it's just flat once you make it up this one huge hill. And we made it. Hi everyone. It's been a bit, a couple of days or so. We're staying at Hartman Rocks currently, which is close to Gunnison. Still haven't gotten to the Black Canyon. We're going to do that though, I swear. Today has been the coldest day of them all. The sun hasn't really come out at all. Cloud coverage, and the rain just started. Cody was gonna go out to climb today. That didn't work out. We'll see if I can actually make something of it. We are cozied up inside. Today really hasn't been super eventful, but we have been working out a bit more here. I even got a run in, doing yoga, and I think I finished nearly all of the vlogs so far, so it felt good to get caught up on stuff and also get my body moving again. Going for a walk. Mother Nature really doesn't know what to do today. We're making it work. Just take in the difference between this, and this.
to you. That was fun. Fuck that.
No?
No. Unless someone's placing gear.
Good morning. Yesterday was not very eventful besides the walk. We got back, we watched a new cooking show, and pretty much just went to bed. It's been chilly. We prepped for the rain this morning. So far it's been just a light drizzle, and now it's breakfast time. It's so funny, the weather here. It really makes no sense. There was like 54% chance on the radar yesterday. All we've been getting is this pitter patter. Oh my god, it's beautiful! Breakfast. She's so crazy. I guess it's another day to be cozied up in bed. I can't complain. Codier, what even did I just say? We ended up in the Hutchinson Rock. I don't know, I'm not talking well. Let's try again later. Been staying at Hartman Rocks, and today is the cold.
Hutchinson's.